So hello students, myself Professor Rahul Mukherjee. So here we are with the third topic of the subject brand management for UTY students. I hope so you all are keeping well, and here we proceed with the third topic of brand management. As said, the third topic consists of certain parts, you can say, which are building blocks of brand, how to build a brand, so steps of them, how to build a brand, that is building blocks of a brand, or you can say brand building steps or model. ठीक है. First of all, before getting into the typical answer of the pyramid etc., which is somewhere related to your second chapter, I would say I would make you revise or make you understand the basics of what is the process of developing a brand. I would make you revise the process of building a brand, how to start with it, how to get into it, how to initiate it, how to think about it. ठीक है, एक प्रोसेस होता है हर चीज़ में. सीधा उठ के हम एक दिन एक ब्रांड लॉन्च करके उसको सुपर हिट नहीं कर सकते मार्केट में. ट्रस्ट मी, इफ़ यू नो हिस्ट्री ऑफ एनी कंपनी और if you know the history of any successful brand in the market like Dettol or maybe Lay's or maybe Maruti Suzuki, you will come to know कि उन्होंने कैसे दिन देखे हैं. You will come to know what level of competition they have faced, what level of strategies they have applied, what heights of research they have done to get that brand name at present what it is. ठीक है, तो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत important है. So moving on with the process of brand building or certain steps, I would rather say the steps of building a brand. So the very first thing you need to understand is what people love, the target audience that you're looking after. So what they are looking after in a brand, in a product.